case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The U.S. Supreme Court in 1974 heard a pivotal case, Bangor Punta Operations Inc. v. Bangor and Aroostook Railroad, which centered on claims of corporate waste and mismanagement. It presented a fascinating legal question. Can an entity take legal action against previous owners for alleged wrongdoings if it acquired control long after those wrongdoings allegedly took place? The Bangor and Aroostook Railroad, BAR, a Maine-based corporation, accused its former owners of several violations, including federal antitrust and securities laws, state statutes, and common law principles. The heart of the matter revolved around claims that the previous proprietors had engaged in acts of corporate waste and mismanagement. However, it was complicated by the fact that current shareholder, Amoskeag, acquired over 99% of the railroad's shares long after these alleged events. When the lawsuit reached the district court, they decided in favor of the former owners, agreeing with their argument that Amoskeag couldn't sustain an injury since it purchased the shares well after the alleged wrongdoings. This ruling derived from their interpretation of the contemporaneous ownership requirement under Fed. Rule Civ Procredia 23.1 L, which states that shareholders must prove they owned the company's stock when the alleged wrongful acts occurred. However, the case didn't stop there. The stakes were high, with a request for $7 million in damages and the implications for how corporations could seek legal redress against past ownership. Thus, the decision was appealed and landed before the Supreme Court. In a crucial ruling, the highest court in the land held firm on the principle of home fire, which precludes unjust enrichment and windfall for an owner who has suffered no injury. Given this principle, the court deemed that Amoskeag did not have any legal standing to sue. Therefore, any potential recovery could not be distributed to BAR. The case marked a precedent-setting moment, underscoring that the present owner can't pursue legal action for alleged prior mismanagement. The Supreme Court overruled the Court of Appeals judgment that initially allowed BAR to seek recovery, cementing a clear boundary on shareholder rights within corporate law.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.